What's poppin', DuminOut gang? We are back at it with another reaction. Back at it with another Mama 2025 reaction. Today we got BabyMonster, we got Rora, we got Rita, we got Ion, bruh. 3 vocal demons, okay? And today they're performing the K-pop demon song, K-pop demon hunter song, Golden. It's funny, bro. They got the golden vocals. They the demon hunters for real, bro. This group is absolutely insane. I cannot wait to see this cover. I've seen everybody going crazy. This has probably been the most viral performance. I feel like that's safe to say out of all the performances from today. Well, not today, but from this weekend. And yeah, we're going to check them out. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. Y'all, fun fact. I have over 100K people who watch the channel monthly. But only about 30,000 subscribers, so y'all need to hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all are hitting that subscribe button. And let's go ahead and hop straight into this one. I cannot wait to hear these girls, bro. They sound so good. I know they about to snap. What it sounds like.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part
Oh my God, Rora!
into a million pieces.
Do y'all hear this? Oh my God, do y'all hear her?
I broke into
To a million pieces.
I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and heartache.
Oh my God, Rita sounds so beautiful, bro.
The scars are part of me. Darkness and heartache. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors of inside my head? I should have let it check it. I just need the light inside. Show me what's underneath.
I ain't gonna, I really love Rora in this one, bro. Like, Rora really sounds, she sounds powerful. Like, whew, her vocals are just insane, bro. Like, you got her who sounds powerful. You got Rita who's more like soft and elegant. And then you got Ion who's a little mixture of both. And like, you know, Ion, even though it probably won't be shown in this song, she got like a little bit of the rap swag as well that you see in Ruka and Asa. But like, this is a deadly trio. I would love if they did subunit songs for this three to have a subunit song, sort of like Ruka and Ruka and Asa did. Like, that would be insane.
That's all we could write. This is what it sounds like.
Y'all hear them together though?
What it sounds like. That's all we could write. This is what it sounds like.
They did that. Yeah. It's over. It's over. They did that. They already snapped. They literally have already snapped. But low key. They kind of look like the demon hunters for real, bro. Like, they kind of look like the demon hunters. They look like they came straight out the movie.
I was the first, I was alone, huh? Golden, huh? You're so good. Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe. I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I let those eyes try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Kind of problem child, 'cause I got too wild. But now that's how I'm getting played. Cause she on stage. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming how we came so far now.
Ooh, Rita.
Shining like I'm born to be.
Nah, y'all born to shine for real.
Dreaming how we came so far now. I believe we're gonna.
Rita Rita is that girl, bro, and she got the pink hair, bro. Like, oh my, she's just so iconic. She's just so iconic. Oh, bro. Ion is perfect for this. Do y'all hear how loud and powerful she sounds? She sounds so good, bro. Like, she sounds so good. This is how you're supposed to deliver this right here. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro, this is so good, bro. Like, they really got me speechless for real, y'all. They really got me speechless out here, bro. Like, oh my gosh. They snapping. You can't, bro. You can't do no better than this, bro. This is insane. They really snapped on this one. All three of them sound so good. All three of them are shining so hard on this. I really love Roar on this one, bro. Roar is insane. And then Rita's just so beautiful and elegant, bro. Like, she just calms you down, bro. Rita just calms you down. And finally live like the girl they all see. Be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong and I know I'll believe. Oh my! She killing this, I know. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong and I know I'll believe. We're oh my god, bro. Ion is just so fucking good. Nah, they shine, bro. This group is so insane, and this literally just adds to it, bro. Like, this cover right here is why they're gonna be the GOATs of K-pop, bro. How is that even like? How does your mouth even make sounds like this? Oh my! I ain't gonna cap, bro. This group was made in a lab, bro. Like, this group had to be made in a lab or something, bro. Like, they're not human, bro. Like, they from outer space or somewhere, bro. This group is not human. They are not human. They are not human. Like, that's not like they're not real, bro. Like, this group is just not real, bro. Like, how do you do this? How do you do this right here? Like, oh my god, that was so good. That was straight fire. The vocals all the way through. I love how all three of them brought a little different style and sound to it. Like, obviously you have Rory, who had like the more powerful vocals. You had Rita, who I said, like, you know what I'm saying, she had the beautiful, the soft vocals, all of that. You had Ion, who was loud, bro. Like, she was loud and powerful too, just like Rora. But the delivery between Rora and Ion was different, even though they were both loud and powerful. Like, were y'all getting that too as well? How even though they were both had the powerful loud vocals, like it's just their delivery of it was sounded completely different. This was absolutely insane though. I'm so glad we got BabyMonster covering this song. We absolutely needed this, bro. Like, this group is just so fire, bro. Shout out to BabyMonster. I love seeing stuff like this. I love seeing them shine. I love seeing them, you know what I'm saying, getting all the love, bro. They've been getting a lot of love for this performance. And they deserve it, bro. They really deserve it because this performance was absolutely amazing. Shout out to them. But anyway, that's the end of this one. I really hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Like I said earlier in the video, y'all, over 100,000 people watch my channel monthly, but only 30,000 are subscribed to the channel. So please make sure y'all are hitting that subscribe button. Make sure y'all are hitting that like button as well. Make sure you're leaving a comment. Leave multiple comments. Doing all of that helps me grow. So please, if you want to see me grow, please allow me to grow and make sure you're doing that stuff. That's the end of this one. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.